Well, well, well. If it isn't the legend himself, Boris the Dog Culebra. All right, straight to the point. I got a job for you, Mr. Dog.
It's Boris.
Yeah, whatever. We got a class 3 mutant running around the Badlands, killing people and shit, and granted, they're all commoners, like, well, you are now. We just don't have a lot of people left to be wasting them on mutants, so on behalf of the agency, I want you to kill it. I'm assuming you still have your comm system. Just slap it on whenever you get back to whatever hut you just...
I'm done with this war.
Do you remember who owns you? How much of a bounty is on your head? How much you love that pretty little family of yours? There he is. So here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna wanna take your comm system while you track this thing. Once you find it, kill it. And I'll wipe your bounty and discharge you so you can live happily ever after. Oh, there's a new variant of the PCV virus that the militia released, so be careful. It gives people certain unexplainable abilities. Once you've killed it, I'll come meet you. Oh, and you're gonna want to suit up for this one, because it's an active battlefield, and the mutant is irradiated out the ass. Take a Geiger counter and it'll lead you right to it. Let the rads be your sign. Sound good, Pumpkin? Good dog. Any sign of the new variant? Or the mutant?
Nothing yet.
Better hurry.
This doesn't look like any battlefield I've ever seen. I killed it.
What? That's not... I'll be there soon. Boris! Why aren't you answering your damn comm? Boris!
The new variant. It's a little older than you think.
Boris.
The mutant. You've been feeding it, no?
We had to. They were going to unleash it on the Capitol.
I see.
But the bright side is, your bounty's cleared, and the agency will leave you be. Just don't tell anyone.
Groshia Subaka.